Ever get that feeling? Like you're drowning in Excel.
Uh-huh, yeah. Too many spreadsheets, too little time.
Exactly. It's like you're juggling workbooks, and then bam, you've got other applications open too.
Oh, tell me about it. That just kills my productivity.
Well, get this. We're diving deep into a shortcut that's going to change your Excel game.
Ooh, I'm all ears.
I knew you'd be into this.
Yeah.
It all started with this little snippet on Excel shortcuts. Apparently, there's this magical key combo, Alt plus Tab, supposed to make switching between windows a breeze.
Alt plus tab.
Mhm.
Interesting. You know what's really cool about shortcuts like that? It's not just about working faster, it's about that smooth workflow. You know what I mean?
Oh, yeah.
When you're clicking back and forth between a million things, it breaks your concentration.
Ah, yes. It's so distracting.
But Alt plus tab, that's like, boom, you're right where you need to be instantly. Keeps you in the zone.
Okay, so break it down for me. How does this magic trick work?
All right, so picture this.
Yeah,
You hold down the Alt key.
got it. Holding Alt.
Now, while you're holding Alt, you start tapping the Tab key.
Tap, tap, tap.
Exactly. And each time you tap, it cycles through all your open windows.
Whoa, cool. Like a slideshow of all my work.
Pretty much. Then, when you see the window you want, you just let go of both keys. And boom, you're there.
No more clicking a million times.
Exactly. Think about you're building a report. You've got your sales spreadsheet open, your budget projections in another window, maybe even a stock market website for reference.
Oh, yeah. I've been there.
Alt plus Tab lets you jump between them like instantly.
Seriously. Game changer.
Totally. Remember when you first discovered this? It's like finding a cheat code for productivity.
It felt like a superpower.
Right. It's like you're speaking the secret language of efficiency,
Yeah,
and less mouse, more keyboard, always a win.
totally. And the snippet actually had this real-time example. Like, if you're comparing data across a bunch of spreadsheets,
Ooh, yeah.
Alt plus Tab would be clutch in that situation.
No doubt. But hold on, it gets even better.
Wait, there's more?
There's Crucial plus Tab too. That one's laser focused on Excel.
Ooh, okay. So what's the difference?
If you're working on something big, like a model with a bunch of linked spreadsheets.
Right, right. Happens all the time.
Crucial plus Tab lets you zip between those Excel files specifically, like staying in your Excel lane.
Gotcha. So Alt plus Tab for jumping around everywhere,
Yeah.
and Control plus Tab when I'm in my Excel zone.
Nailed it. It's all about having the right tool for the job.
So many options. I mean, think about it. How many times do you switch between windows in a day? Dozens, hundreds.
Easy.
Now imagine doing that with one keystroke. That's the power we're talking about here.
It makes you wonder, doesn't it? How
Yeah.
much time are we all losing by not using these shortcuts?
It's mind-blowing.
Mm-hmm.
And who knows what other hidden gems are lurking in Excel just waiting to be discovered.
Right. This is just the tip of the iceberg.
Exactly. There's a whole world of efficiency out there. We just got to find it.
Absolutely.
Now, if only there was a shortcut to get me out of this meeting.
Haha. There might be one for that too. You never know.
Maybe that'll be our next deep dive.
I'm in.